Hello, in this exocad tutorial I'd like to show you a workaround how to change the implant interface on an existing abutment design. To start, load the existing project into the Dental DB. Open the project in Explorer to copy the folder path. I do that with Ctrl C. Then you can start the scene file of the existing abutment. This is a very important step. This is very important because usually when exporting the abutments with the default software settings, the abutments will be orientated into the Z-axis, and we now need it at the same coordinate system as the jaw scan. So to do this, do now a right click on the designed abutment and choose Save to File. Then paste the folder path we have copied before with Ctrl V and save the abutment. Choose a name, whatever you want. Okay. Now let's go back to the Dental DB and duplicate the case. You may even rename the patient's name if required. And now change the restoration type. That's a very important step. Choose anatomic wax-up. You may choose separate gingiva. And very important to choose screw retained. Now start the cut up. And you will be prompted to load the wax-up scan, as the software cannot find any wax-up scan. Usually you are already in the correct folder. If not, paste again the path you have copied before in the Dental DB. Then choose the saved abutment. You could even save the abutment on the desktop or wherever you want and load it in the same place then. Okay. Now we see here our initial abutment design, which is in the same coordinate system as the jaw scan. And now you have to do again the scan body registration with the new desired implant interface. And now you only need to click next. And the software automatically calculates the new abutment with the initial design as a wax-up. During the wax-up calculation, the inner parts of the implant interface will be deleted in the wax-up, but some parts of the screw channel will be kept and are already visible in the wax-up design. Usually that's not really a problem. And in the next step in the screw channel design, you can activate the screw channel to create nice edges here around the screw channel. If you do not like the result here, you could also go into the mesh editor at the beginning of the job, into the mesh editor with the wax up and create a big hole. So delete the screw channel and close the hole. But I think this is not really necessary. Now you see with the screw channel design you can create again nice edges here. You could even improve parts by adding some points. Yeah, and here's an exact copy of the initial abutment design with another implant interface.